Meaning of forgery.
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 Forgery. Forgery refers to the act of creating or producing a fake or fraudulent copy of a document, signature, artwork, or other item with the intention of deceiving others. The result of forgery can be severe legal consequences, including fines, imprisonment, or both. It can also cause irreparable harm to the reputation and finances of the individual or organization affected by the fraudulent item. Forgery is considered a serious crime and is punishable by law in many countries around the world.